Welcome back to another explainer. Today, we're diving into the dramatic and, well, pretty well hidden history of an absolutely stunning Greek beach. We're going to explore how a place of incredible ancient beauty was almost completely lost and, thankfully, how it was ultimately saved. So if you're into understanding how the hidden corners of our world change and adapt, you're definitely in the right place. Let's get right into it.
Okay, I want you to just picture something for a second. Imagine a quiet corner of the world tucked far, far away from the usual bustling tourist traps. A spot so unexpectedly lush, it literally feels like it belongs on another continent. So, do you know where Europe's largest hidden oasis actually is? We're setting up a pretty remarkable environmental story today. It's one that really proves paradise isn't always what it seems on the surface.
Section 1. An idyllic Cretan escape. The pristine shores of the Aegean. Okay, let's dive right into this. We are traveling to the remote northeastern tip of Crete in Greece. Now, if you go there today, Vai Beach is the absolute picture of tranquility. It's got this broad, sweeping curve of gorgeous golden sand, and it's perfectly bordered by the calm, shallow waters of the Aegean Sea. It's got the whole shebang. Sunbeds, umbrellas, showers. It is a modern haven that's basically tailor-made for swimming, relaxing, or, just soaking in that peaceful vibe. Section 2. Europe's largest palm grove, the secret beyond the sand.
But you see, that peaceful shoreline is really just the beginning. Just a few steps away sits a staggering secret. We're talking about a lush, green grove made up of over 5,000 trees. And I mean 5,000. This isn't just a couple of trees giving you some shade on the beach. This sheer scale officially makes this location Europe's largest natural palm grove.
And we're not talking about your everyday run-of-the-mill forest either. This massive grove is entirely made up of the Cretan date palm. That's a highly unique species natively found only in Crete and just a few specific parts of Turkey. So you're looking at a true ecological marvel, something that makes this ancient landscape incredibly rare. Section 3. Paradise Lost and Regained. The Human Impact on Vai. So, back in the early 1970s, Vai was actually rediscovered by hippies who relocated from another town called Matala, and they set it up as this bohemian retreat. But, as we know, paradise rarely stays a secret for long. Ironically, the very people seeking natural peace kind of brought chaos with them. Fast forward just one decade to the 1980s, and visitor numbers were absolutely skyrocketing. The local infrastructure? Completely inadequate. It just overwhelmed the whole area. This once peaceful haven quickly devolved into a heavily littered, severely degraded environment. I mean, the rapid, ugly decline of this ecosystem was just shocking. Well, that shocking decline forced a pretty crucial turning point. Following that dark period in the 80s, authorities finally stepped in. They officially declared Vai a protected zone, and it was exactly because of that official designation that massive restoration efforts were finally able to kick off. That mobilization, that human effort, is what rescued the ecosystem and led directly to the beautifully preserved site we get to enjoy today. Section 4. The Conservation Lesson, Protecting Our Natural Wonders. And this brilliantly illustrates the most crucial point of all. That peaceful golden sand beach we see today, it is no happy accident of nature. As our source material beautifully puts it, today it stands as one of Crete's most beautiful and carefully preserved natural sites, a reminder of the value of conservation. It was a deliberate, hard-won triumph. Without that intervention, Europe's largest natural palm grove could have literally been lost forever. Which leaves us with a really critical, lasting thought to ponder. What other hidden natural wonders might we lose forever if we fail to value their conservation today? Vai Beach is an absolute success story for sure, but it's also a stark reminder of the immense fragility of nature. It urges all of us to reflect on why protecting our world's quiet corners isn't just a nice thing to do. It's absolutely essential. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and as always, stay curious.